Okay, this is new for everybody. As you get through your exposition, I want you to quickly move into your conflict. Within the first couple paragraphs, you should have stated, or the reader should know, what the problem is. Now, whether that's a problem that the person is fighting within themselves, like they need to know if they need to discover whether they are going to have the strength it takes to become a boxing champion, or whether it is they are going to discover aliens and they're going to have to fight the aliens to save the world. We should know that pretty fast within the first couple paragraphs. So that's what I'm mentioning here. Did you present your conflict quickly? And then, if your discovery is in your conflict, let's say that you come upon a trunk of gold, or you come upon discovering a leprechaun in your conflict, or if you discover something either in the conflict, or even whether your discovery comes as a result of that conflict getting resolved, you need to make sure you're very descriptive about things. Let's say that you discover an object, you discover a trunk full of treasure, or you discover a place, you discover Atlantis, or you discover a person, you discover a new friend. Whatever that discovery thing is, we really need to experience it, and the way that you can help us do that is by answering some of these questions. Now, not all of them will relate, but I'll let you read through these yourself. You can press pause and do so, and just make sure that you're being very descriptive. And again, you don't list things. It's not like you take a couple sentences and just list all the answers to these questions, but you weave it in. Maybe somebody replies on the size of the treasure trunk, or maybe as you feel it, you notice the smooth wood, or maybe as you try to lift it to take it home, you notice it's extremely heavy, heavier than whatever else you can compare it to. Maybe it reminds you of an old trunk that your grandmother had in her basement. So, these are just some things for you to think about when you're describing objects, people, places in your narrative.